Hi, this is Ezekiel, founder of Asiaforexmentor. So in this video, I'll be revealing what I do on a weekly basis, and I'll be sharing my analysis for this week, which is the 21st of September 2015. So you can refer to this video throughout the week to spot for trade setups. The analysis in this video will be my trading plan for the week. So in my weekly analysis video, I'll be sharing pairs that have possible setup for the week or pairs that are worth taking note. Right, this week I'll cut it short. There's just there are three main pairs that I would just like to talk about. So the first pair is USD SGD. USD SGD, if I go on to the weekly time frame, here was the previous side, so therefore I plot a line over here. As you can see, the market broke up somewhere here in July, and then ever since it has been all these lines has been holding well. It didn't close below or anything, so it shot up, and then right now it's coming back towards the old line, the old red line, which is the old rejection level. So if I go to the daily time frame, we can see even more clearly over here. Once breaking through, it formed a nice looking pin, and then it headed up after which. So right now the market is bouncing back down towards the old rejection line, and what is even nicer is that it has formed two pin bars over here. So I'm a little late on the video today, whereby the pin has already taken off, but nevertheless this is a nice looking setup. So I'll still be looking to buy the USD SGD, and I'll not set my profit too far off. I'll just get in and get out for a quick one, because given that last week itself the US didn't increase their interest rate, so the sentiment for the USD wouldn't be that strong in the near term, until they decide to increase their interest rate. So for example, which they are looking at probably by year end. But having that said, I would say the overall sentiment for we will not expect big solid moves in the USD for this current end of the year until the news is out. So for USD trades, I would just like to get in and get out quick, and not to set my profit target too high, or to trail it until the next coming news is out for the USD, whereby they do intend to increase their interest rate and if it eventually does increase their interest rate, then we can see the USD will start spiking. But from now, for the next couple of weeks or so, I'll be looking to get in and out for quick profit. Okay, so this is USD SGD. Next pair, USD CAD. So USD CAD, it's a pair whereby it has been very choppy for the last weeks or so. So and then I've drawn my highest point over here, the lows over here, which is marked by the highs and the lows over here. So right now USD CAD has also formed a two nice looking pin, which is looking really good. The last time round, this is a pair where I note whereby if it does form a nice long protruding pin, where we can see over here, it did work. A nice long protruding pin over here. This one did work as well, and the ones over here, it still worked for at least the next few days or so. So this one, I would say it does looks good, but I will still wait. So if I go to the lower time frame, I'll wait for it to break above the highest point over here, which is above my Bollinger, before getting in, before making sure that the pin is indeed taking off. So this is my setup plan for USD CAD. Next pair, the last pair will be the Australian yen, right? AUD JPY. So AUD JPY, if I look, let's see on the daily time frame, anything interesting. Alright, the thing about the Australian it's just that they have what is the reason behind all these big movements, upwards movements over here, is largely because of the change in president in Australia. So which seems to be pretty good news for the Australian economy until he has proven so. So nevertheless, because of when we have news like this whereby there's a change in president, this could largely affect the economy until the work that he will be doing will prove to whether is he indeed a good president in terms for the economy, in the eyes of the I would say the people in Australia or in the world. So nevertheless, there was the reason why Australian bounces back up after which, and right now it's I can plot this as the highest point of here, which I can draw over the line over here. Here would be the highest point, and right now the Australian yen is in the congestion over here between all the highs over here, and it did form a long first red bar after a while. That's the reason why it's kind of stopping over here. So and it does seems like the uptrend is kind of stopping, so we can expect here to be the highest rejection level. So I just plot it at the highest point. So if it does break through this level, then we can expect the Australian dollar to move up towards the next level, which is through the highs over here. But currently I would say the Aussie yen will be in a sideways consolidation and probably might head down a little bit. So if I go to the lower time frame, let's say the 4 hour, okay, that's where we can see the price was raising up and it got rejected by my orange line, and that's the reason why it's kind of stalling over here. So all the lows here prove to be a crucial factor. If I go over to the 1 hour time frame, let's zoom out a little bit. So last few times price came down, got rejected by my 150 over here, and also the 365 and all the lines over here. So you got rejected once, for the second time, third time. This is the fourth time. So if I zoom in, so the price has tried to break below the levels and it's now going back up. So I'll plot a line here at the lowest point. If it does breaks below the lowest point, we can say the Aussie yen is probably going to head down later until probably the bottom of the Bollinger Band here, which is kind of the lows over here. So I'll be waiting for it to go. Once it does break through, then I'll be looking to enter for a quick trade. So this is my analysis for this week. I'll see you all next week.